I've always loved machines. As a kid, I'd take everything apart and try to discover the mysteries hidden away inside. Then eventually I started to design and engineer motorcycles from scratch. It was a natural evolution that turned into a lifelong passion. I'm Ian Barry. I'm a motorcycle designer. Pretty much anything can grow and develop in LA. Music, motorcycles, ideas. In my view, the landscape here nurtures and informs the process behind all of it. Being so close to the action, and at the same time having the ability to disconnect from the noise and get lost in the trails overlooking the city, feels like a magic trick. I have to immerse myself in nature in order to feel human. I see my work as alchemy between nature and machine, transforming one state into another. Both inform everything I design and do. Many engines have stories to tell, connected to incredible people. I'm inspired to create machines that allow new stories to come to life. When I ride one of my designs for the first time, it feels like I have bent reality somehow. It's sensory overload, complete joy. The work I'm focused on today looks into the future, whereas the Bullet Falcon winds back the clock and fuses contemporary elements with two motorcycle eras, the cafe racers of the 1960s and the board track racers of the 1920s. I love it so much that I bought it back from its original owner. The Bullet and I are connected. It's hard to explain. It's more than just a motorcycle to me. It feels like it has a soul. It's irreplaceable and personal. Some machines are just like that.